A video. I wanted to make a little video to show how, in my opinion, that the sky is nothing more than a projected plasma TV screen. We see all the time the contrails that get sprayed in the sky. They linger there for hours, and then on them hot summer days where you'll see the contrails with the shadows going next to it and in front of it. And so in my opinion, those are not real airplanes at all. They are holographic images being projected on top of the screen that we see. Okay, so imagine the tip of this pen right here, one of them little round balls, okay? And it's coming through the air. It's coming through the air. Oh, look at that. There's your shadow. Now, depending on your point of view, it would look like it's traveling in front of it, right? If it comes up to an angle and it comes back at the cameraman, it really looks like that it's traveling in front of it, doesn't it? Let's see if we can get this to line up somehow. Yep, right there. So if they're going at the right angle, look, the shadow appears before everything. Well, I guess it didn't that time. It appears before the black shadow. So it kind of foreshadows, you know what I mean? So if it's coming up at an angle like this, look at that. Absolutely. Maybe I can get a better. So it comes up at an angle at us like that. Yep. And just picture this part right here of the pen being the contrail. And this being the little round silver balls that seem to fly out of them. I've had them follow my car. And that the airplanes are projected onto it. And again, wherever you are, your point of view is going to be a little bit different. If it comes up at us like that, you can't see that round ball anymore. All you would see is the shadow from the contrail, which would look like that it's way ahead of whatever's traveling. Now, it's kind of hard to do because I don't have a constant source of smoke for a contrail, but... And mind you, the contrail isn't bending up like that either. Just the craft is. So the contrail that was laid, while it was turning up, would project in front of it. And especially your point of view, where you are, is going to make a big difference. So, I don't know, leave your comments. If this even gets to stay up. I'm sorry that the video is sideways, but it really wouldn't show the whole entire fake Earth that I've presented. And I would kind of have to hold it way up here. I guess I could have done it that way. And remember, the Earth gives off its own light, okay? And we have lots of lights on, constantly on Earth. And we have other sources of light. See, I have two lights up here. One is pointing one way, one is pointing the other. That's what's giving us our two different shadows. And it's kind of like a forced perspective thing, I guess. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Hope everybody's doing good.